Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Ford Focus SE, stock number E1620P. 73,000 miles on this Focus. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Race red in color. Focus is in the compact car class. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Backup camera. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. With driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, as of course where the backup camera display is. Heating and air conditioning, automatic transmission, storage in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, and a spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 26 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 38 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 40% of tire tread left. For more information on this Focus, please go to Sheboygan.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.